Who's watching me?
My 3 P's, passion, persistence and patience, they will be covered laterwards, 3 virtues. You need to be enthusiastic, okay? Well, okay, I can remember one project I managed in the south of Spain, in Havana. And every morning on Monday, we were traveling from Madrid, to Granada. Nice city, beautiful city, not for working, just for traveling, tourists. And I can remember when my team arrived there, say, okay, Alfonso, today is Monday, I have some pain in my back, it is raining, it is windy, stop. Now, it's 9 a.m. in the morning. At 9:30, we will be having a cup of coffee with toast, smelling right now. And then, as soon as you back, from your breakfast, we will be very, very close for lunch. After lunch, it's almost Tuesday. So, this is the type of thing, you can do. You have the option of doing it, or you have the option of don't do it. Because obviously I don't have the same energy at the age of 53 that I am than at the age of 30, obviously. But I really believe, I don't know if you agree or not, that the passion, the enthusiasm is in your brain much more than in your physics, in your body, Obviously, you need to have a balance, of course.
Tell me who's watching? Who's watching me?